Sån skött ja Lauttasaaren meritehti.
This umbrella was disturbing me
Ai.
a little bit. Okay. I am ready to start. Yeah, that is the 26th of November 2020, and this is Vattuniemenkatu Haloneesta on Thursday C. This substantial building has three stages. Look at this beautiful atrium here. This substantial building was completed in 1997, 1996 or so. I believe it was B and C that were completed in 1997. Second C, A probably 1996.
Yeah.
So this could be late 1996, early 1997.
Yeah.
Up and down here, the Kone novel elements fixtures, amazing. And the capacity is 7 persons or 525 kilograms. This has actually 10 floors, so this is maybe, for me, it's the tallest novel I've filmed. It was the taller one on Terrassitalo,
Yeah.
1993 or 94, but they've been replaced in 2017, sadly. But that was even taller. And this was built in 1996, so it's probably late 1996, and the serial number is H68414. Actually, 11 floors.
Yeah.
Oh, as tall as 11 floors. Tallest novel elements.
Yeah.
Do you think it's possible to go through the basement? Or is that all?
Yes.
It's not in the other ones.
Yeah.
So we have to get to them separately.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2022.
Yeah.
It was a good idea that we came here.
Yeah.
But maybe they could have made it a scenic one.
Yeah.
It's only 25 years old in the next year, 2021, so. Or it will be during 2021 and 22.
Yeah.
Let me have a look from upstairs, the atrium. Oh, there's even a terrace here. It's locked up, but it's a nice view.
Yeah.
Towards the S4 as well.
Yeah.
Vattuniemenkatu and Vattuniemenkatu. On that side, but that side is Helsinki S4 as well. These glasses. Not a see-through glass.
Yeah.
It's actually not the machine room that we saw, it's just the top of the atrium.
Yeah.
But there is also a machine room, of course. It's very interesting, it's 11 floors, but still without any doors.
Yeah.
Still made it like this. What should we do next? Another drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too small. But this is not the tallest without any doors in Finland. The tallest without any doors is the 1979 original one in Imatra.
Yeah.
And that one has 16 floors. Or was it 18?
16.
16, I think, yeah. And it is still original with NP8 fixtures.
Yeah.
But this could be one of the tallest mid-1990s elevators in Finland. Maybe the tallest. At least because I'm not sure if the water tower in Varkaus is taller. 94 modernized.
Yeah. It's a bit taller.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. But this could be the tallest novel.
Yeah. Inspected by Kylines and maintained by Schindler.
And of course the tallest Kone M is at the Hotel Haven that I filmed in 1988.
How many floors?
It's 11 stops, I think.
Yeah.
But then there is in Kamppi is also with 10 floors from 1988 without any doors. That I also have filmed. So those are the two tallest with Kone and without any doors.
Yeah.
That are still original today. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. And that's it.
That's